Guys, you really like to see this. SEC appeals court loss, bolstering Ripple's case. On the 10th of April, Hayden Adams, the founder of Unwap, informed the cryptocurrency community that the SEC had sent them a Wells notice. The continuing litigation between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple continues to have an impact on XRP, which in turn continues to garner a large amount of attention from investors. And another complaint that the Securities and Exchange Commission has filed against a cryptocurrency company demonstrates the SEC's dedication to regulating the market through enforcement measures. The Securities and Exchange Commission continues to file complaints against cryptocurrency companies, despite the fact that there is no established rules and regulations for cryptocurrencies in the United States. While everything was going on, the cryptocurrency community was showing their support for Uniswap and attentively analyzing the latest action taken by the SEC. In response to the situation, Paul Grewal, chief legal officer of Coinbase, made the following statement. Sometimes you have to laugh or else you'll cry. What is the best way to reconcile the Securities and Exchange Commission's assertion that Uniswap functions as a broker with the decision that the court made against the SEC just a few days ago? You are unable to do so. Furthermore, the chief legal officer of Uniswap, Marvin Amarai, made a reference to a recent court verdict in the case of the Securities and Exchange Commission versus Coinbase, noting, sometimes you have to laugh or else you'll cry. What is the best way to reconcile the Securities and Exchange Commission's assertion that Uniswap functions as a broker with the decision that the court made against the SEC just a few days ago? You are unable to do so. At this point in time, there were no new developments to take into consideration with reference to the current litigation between the SEC and Ripple. On the other hand, a court decision that is unrelated to the matter could potentially strengthen Ripple's case against the possibility of suffering significant penalties for alleged violations of U.S. securities laws. According to Stuart Alderodi, chief legal officer of Ripple, the SEC continues to lose. The ruling that was made in the case of Goville, which said that the Securities and Exchange Commission has no right to disgorgement from the seller if the buyer does not suffer any financial loss, was not reconsidered by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. It is possible that the verdict will have an impact on the efforts of the SEC to demand a disgorgement of $2 billion in the Ripple case. Ripple's XRP finished the Thursday session at 0.6087, a decrease of 1.52 from the previous session's closing price of 0.6087. This is a reversal of the 0.55 gain that existed on Wednesday. XRP's performance was significantly worse than that of the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies fell by 0.79, sent to 2.56 trillion yesterday. I would want to use this opportunity to introduce you to an incredible platform that has the potential to make you a significant amount of money. Guys, you are going to make a lot of money here. So make sure to sign up with the registration link that is provided in the description of this video so that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Here at the Bitmart Exchange, if you register with a first deposit of $100, you will immediately receive a bonus of $3,000. Isn't this incredible? However, I had seen the thing, in order to access the site, you will also want a virtual private network, VPN, because it is still in its early stages. Those who use Android or iOS can get XVPN from the marketplaces that are specific to their respective operating systems. Once again, the platform offers a great deal of advantages, one of which is copy trading, which allows you to trade without any prior understanding of trading by employing experienced trading strategies and securing a significant amount of money effortlessly. This is something that you really don't want to miss out on, folks. They are interested in assisting you in purchasing, selling, and storing your Bitcoin, regardless of whether you are an individual or an institution. Our belief is that the decentralized digital currency would radically transform the global economic system. This kind of financial freedom would bring about additional economic innovation, efficiency, and equality to the world. Their mission is to make cryptocurrencies accessible to everyone, everywhere. Nevertheless, this will not occur unless we develop products that are not only straightforward, but also safe, allowing people and organizations from all over the world to explore and engage with this new frontier. Members of their professional staff have previously worked for companies such as Amazon, Accenture, Tencent, Alibaba, and other leading technology companies. By working together, they have constructed a financial platform that is both more user-friendly and more cost-effective, with the goal of including every single person on the planet for the purpose of accelerating the transition of the world to a highly efficient global financial system, the team has grown by leaps and bounds across the worldwide mission. The concept of trust is essential to the functioning of the monetary system and serves as the center of the decentralized token economy. They have a complete comprehension of all the difficulties that the Bitcoin ecosystem is currently experiencing. As a result, they are dedicated to standards of compliance, reliability, security, and customer service, and they provide a smooth user experience in order to establish confidence. We, as a global exchange platform, have high hopes that the halo of digital assets will be beneficial to each and every participant. In order to make the digital assets relevant, it is their goal to create an environment that is easily accessible and has an appropriate entrance barrier for each and every possible investor. Irrespective of whether they are novice traders or experienced investors, Bitmart offers a variety of services that are specifically tailored to meet their needs. These services include the listing of numerous high-quality digital assets that our customers can invest in and achieve success with, the provision of an industrial developer platform for more experienced traders, and the customization of the assets management solution that is most suitable for institutions of varying sizes. After XRP broke over its most significant resistance mark on the 18-day timeframe, Jovan Marks anticipates that the cryptocurrency could very well be on its path to achieving an audacious price of $280. During the process of revising his forecast for XRP in light of the current market conditions, the expert made this assertion. The ambitious projection that Jovan has undertaken makes use of historical data that pertains to previous performance. The initial research that he presented was conducted 2 months ago when XRP was experiencing bearish pressure. XRP had fallen from its all-time high of 0.5795 on February 16 to its current price of 0.5438 at that time. When the market was experiencing a decline, Jovan emphasized that the 18-day chart had verified yet another set of higher lows, which indicated that there may be a potential push toward higher prices. According to him, XRP has already experienced yet another significant breakout by the end of February, and he attributes his optimism to the convergence of these variables. XRP has experienced a number of upswings and drops since the preceding research, but there has been no big push upward throughout this time. A revision of the analysis, an experienced market participant, on the other hand, has recently reconsidered his research, reiterating his conviction that the forthcoming price surge would occur while taking into consideration estimates on a logarithmic scale. Jovan's chart gives the impression that the analyst price forecasts are derived from the insights that can be gleaned from past data. A comparable situation was seen by XRP between the end of 2013 and the beginning of 2017. As a result of a prolonged downward trend line, it was able to successfully suppress its price over this time period. On the other hand, after breaking above the downward trend in the beginning of 2017, XRP experienced a remarkable climb of $63,080 to reach an all-time high of $3.31 in January of 2018. The market has seen a recurrence of this configuration, with XRP seeing a downward trend that is comparable to the one that occurred from January 2018 to July 2023. That's all for now.